welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about why people do and don't get a Papershoot camera. Not every product in the world is meant for everyone or is going to be as loved by every single person who sees it. There are a lot of reasons why people would and wouldn't buy a product, so let's look at these reasons related to the Papershoot camera. Why some people do and don't get one. Let's start with why people don't. The Papershoot is great for people who want to get away from the stress and attachment to their phones and instead live in the moment. If you're okay using your phone to take photos, then maybe another camera isn't necessary for you. The Papershoot camera will definitely draw the eye of friends, family, and strangers. I've personally had a good amount of people come up and ask me about this camera. If you don't like receiving compliments and questions about your camera, then it probably isn't for you. Papershoot was created as a sustainable and less expensive alternative to film and disposable cameras. If you love film and don't mind the extra costs of developing and printing, you could stick to that entirely, or you could choose to add a Papershoot to your collection as well. It could be used as something to experiment with, or as an everyday camera, which could let you save your film for special occasions. This is actually something we've seen a bunch of film photographers do. That's all for the don'ts, so let's talk about why people do. The number one reason why people get a Papershoot is to have a way to capture memories without being glued to their phones. We have a whole video on our channel talking about the Papershoot camera versus your phone and why the Papershoot camera might be a good idea for you. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a great way to save on film if shooting film is something that you love but can't fully keep up with the costs of. It gives you that similar experience and photo style, so you can use it as an alternative if you're trying to use less film. A lot of film photographers have added the Papershoot camera to their collection. The Papershoot is popular for special events and occasions the way that disposable cameras are, only they last for years and they take unlimited photos. If you have a wedding coming up, or you're traveling, graduating, the Papershoot is perfect to capture those memories in a meaningful and special way. And not only that, but you can use it for any everyday event that you'd like to capture. Overall, the Papershoot is great for so many people and situations, and I think it's a great camera for anyone's collection. Let us know your reason for getting a Papershoot camera. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!